everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And hello if you're new. In today's new video, I've got a little kawaii haul for you, as I was in little Tokyo, LA, just recently, and I hope you guys enjoy. So stick around and enjoy the video. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So what should we start off with? Well, I've got some Sailor Moon stickers right here. These are so cute. We've got Sailor Moon. We've got like chippies of the characters. I'd have to say Sailor Moon is my favorite anime, even though I don't watch much anime. Sailor Moon's definitely the cutest. So yeah, pink background. I don't know. Where should I stick it? I was wondering if I should stick this one. It says there's four of them. If I should stick the Sailor Moon on my guitar or something. I don't know. Then I got this Sailor Moon pen. Same kind of thing. She's super cute on it. I don't know if it's a pen or a pencil. Oh my gosh, look at the detailing here. It says Sailor Moon on the clear plastic part. I know you can't see because like I don't have autofocus on, but it's really cute. Now, it looks like it might be a pen because, well, looks like it might be a pen because it has a little pen tip cover. But yeah, super cute. You see, the reason I thought it was a pencil because it's a 0.5 lead, maybe? I don't know. Here, let's take off the... It's a pen. Who knew? I don't know what that means, but okay. And then I happened to stop at the Dolls Kill store there, and I got these little skateboard earrings. I don't know if I'll be able to wear them for very long, but here, let me try them on for you guys. So, we got the pink skateboard earring. We have the purple skateboard earring. Ooh. Yes. We have the blue skateboard earring. So yeah. Ooh. Then I got this cute little Sailor Moon necklace. So we've got this sparkly. Ooh. It was so cute. It was like $4. So it's got, I forgot what this was called. But yeah, there was a lot of Sailor Moon stuff there this time. I didn't find any alpaca sew. Seems like alpaca sew is losing its fame. If you don't know what alpaca sew is, I like to collect these little alpaca plushies, and I didn't find any this time out in Little Tokyo. And then I stopped into a Japanese makeup store, and I got a little eyeshadow that's really cute, and a little blush with like flowers in it. I was so excited to get these. Look how freaking adorable they are. Oh my god. They've got even the packaging. Look at the little gems. And then I happened to get this little Molag pouch. Here, let me open it up for you guys. You see my little Molag pouch? Here it is. They're little fairy angel things on the moon. It's so cute. Ooh. And it says Molag on it. So yeah, that's really cute. What should I store in this? I have no idea. It's so tiny. And then I got a tiny little Hello Kitty ring. You can't see it, but it's so cute. This is little Hello Kitty's face with a little gem. So yeah. Then I went into the Sanrio store and bought 2 of the same drawstring bag. Yes, they're so cute. Kiki and Lala, my favorite Sanrio characters. So cute. I don't know what I'm going to put in these either, but they're definitely going to be displayed here in the kawaii room. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and comment and like, and my Instagram and Twitter are down below. Check out more videos of mine if you want to. And yeah.